Hello students, welcome to our online classes from LPM Public School situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your English teacher Nancy Pandey. So students, today we are going to do the exercises of your chapter number 6, that is pronouns. So students, in our previous video we studied about pronouns and their uses. So students, do you know the definition of pronoun? The definition of pronoun is the word which are used in the place of noun are called pronouns. So students, now the question arises, what is noun? The name of person, place, animals or things are called noun. So students, we can say that we use pronouns instead of noun. The example of pronouns are he, she, it, they, I, you, me, they, them, etc. Now students, let's come to the exercises which are given here. So question number first, write the correct pronouns. Here some pronouns are given in the box. You have to choose the correct pronoun and write in the blank places given in the sentences. So let's do the exercise. Question 1. The boy blank plays with his dog. So students, we use he for a boy. So in the blank place we use he. He plays with his dog. Here boy is a noun and he is a pronoun. So students, let's come to the second one, the family. For family we use they because in family there are more than one members. So we use they. They is used for plural. Plural means more than one person. Now so in second one we write they bought a new house. Now the third one, my friend and I. So we use we for self and another person. So here we can write we in the blank place. We like to play cricket. Now the fourth one, English. So students, English, it is a subject. So here you have to write it is my favorite subject. Now the fifth one is Deepa. Deepa is a girl. So in blank place you have to write she wants to be a doctor. For girl we use she. Now sixth one, the tree. So here you have to write it in the blank place. It has pink flowers. Now students, let's do rhyming words. This is not related to pronoun, but let's do it for fun and think. Write two rhyming words for the following words. So students, the first one is pool. So the rhyming word of pool is fool, cool. So you have to write in first blank fool and in second blank cool. The second one is fun. Fun, bun, none. Now the third one is play. Clay, pray. The fourth one is but. Cut, nut. Now the fifth one is blue. Glue, glue. The first one is glue and the second one is glue. Now the last new. Few, dew. Okay. Now let's come to the third question, that is match the following. Here two columns are given, column A and column B. You have to match the column A from column B. The first one is father. So students, think which pronoun is used for father. Father is a man. So for man or boy we use he. So here you have to match the father with he. Now students, the second one is mother. Mother is a woman. So for a girl and woman we use she. So you have to match the mother with she. Now the third one is balloon. So student, balloon is a non-living thing. So we use it for a non-living things. So match the balloon with it. Now the fourth one, that is Suman and Aman. It means there are two persons. One is Suman and second one is Aman. So here you have to match the Suman and Aman with they. Now the fifth one is Rima and I. So students, another person including self we use we. So for Rima and I we have to match Rima and I from we. Okay, I hope you understand. So students, till then stay safe, stay healthy. Next exercises we will do in our next video. Okay. Bye students.